Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send snap from camera roll as a normal snap. Right, so just watch this method which I'm using very carefully, and once you're here, so I will just go and click here. So this is a normal way, right, and this is filter everything, right. Okay, let me just close this up, and if I just scroll my screen up, I will get all these features and everything, right. So what you have to do, you have to just go to the search bar, and here, so first of all you can just select an image, right, and here you can just write here green screen, right. Make sure you just complete the complete one, and once you're here, you will get this option to upload another image. So now we can just upload another image here, right. So this looks pretty good, and then I can just press on this, right. Okay, now this is it, and this is a front camera, and my front camera is not very good, that's why you're seeing this your orange and brown color effect. But you can also do it from the back screen, right. So here we can just go and we can just change the camera flip here, and then we can just go and select any one of them. So I like this one, right. And if you don't want this any kind of, so you can just put your hand behind and you will get a complete single picture, right. And then you can just minimize and everything, and you can do right all the effects and everything. So this is how you can do it, and this is how you can send snap from camera roll as a normal snap, and then you can send it. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.